warning allowed for proactive maintenance and reinforcement. By addressing issues before they became critical, AI helped extend the lifespan of the bridge and ensured its continued safe use. Section 6. A safer future. Benefits of AI in bridge monitoring. The benefits of AI in bridge monitoring are significant and multifaceted. AI enhances safety by predicting potential collapses before they happen, allowing for timely interventions. It enables proactive maintenance, which not only saves money, but also extends the lifespan of the bridge. AI improves efficiency by automating monitoring tasks, reducing the need for constant human oversight. This automation reduces the reliance on manual inspections, freeing up human resources for more complex tasks. It complements human expertise, making the overall monitoring process more effective and reliable. By preventing bridge collapses, AI safeguards lives, prevents economic losses, and ensures the smooth functioning of our critical infrastructure, benefiting society as a whole. Section 7. Challenges and risks. Navigating the AI landscape. While promising, AI in bridge monitoring also presents challenges. Data quality is crucial. Inaccurate data can lead to wrong predictions. AI algorithms need constant refinement and updates. The risk of false positives exists. AI might flag an issue where none exists. This can lead to unnecessary and costly interventions. Ethical considerations are also important, including data privacy and algorithmic bias. Section 8. Bridges of the Future AI, Leading the Way. In this section, we explore how artificial intelligence is transforming the way we design, monitor, and maintain bridges. The future of bridge monitoring is intelligent and automated. AI systems can detect issues in real time, preventing potential disasters before they occur. AI will play an increasingly vital role in ensuring bridge safety. By continuously analyzing structural integrity, AI can predict and mitigate risks. Advanced sensors will collect even more data. These sensors will provide detailed insights into the health of the bridge, allowing for timely maintenance. AI algorithms will become even more sophisticated. They will be able to process vast amounts of data quickly and accurately, identifying patterns and anomalies. This technology has the potential to revolutionize infrastructure management. With AI, we can ensure that our bridges are safer and more reliable than ever before. It can be applied to other structures like tunnels, dams, and buildings. AI's versatility makes it an invaluable tool for all types of infrastructure. By embracing AI, we can build a safer, more resilient future for generations to come. The integration of AI in infrastructure is not just a possibility, it's a necessity for progress.